Hey everyone, Slippery Slope here, and this is XHTML tutorial number 18, and it is on text areas. This ain't too complicated of a concept. Let me put it to you this way. Let's say you have a website and you want a user to enter, say, a review for a product or a video game or whatever it is that titillates your fantasies. This is a way you can get that information, especially if you don't want a user just enter their name, snore, done before, snore. We want something more than that. In order to create this sucker, all we need to do is type up the element, type up the tag, and the closing tag. And we have a text area. Save it, run it. We'll do it in Firefox like we always do. And there we go. It's right there. Simple as punch and pie. And the user can adjust the size of the text area by clicking in that bottom right corner, depending on what browser you have. And there we go. Big, small, big, small. Well, I got a couple questions, and maybe you do too. First of all, can we make this thing a different size automatically before the user comes and does this wacky stuff? Why? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. And that is, we can adjust the height and the width, and we could do that using cols. Let's just set it to 26, and rows. And let's set it, not RPWs. I don't know what that means. I was going to make up something, but I don't know what to make up. That's just weird, man. Save. Run in Firefox. And yeah, it's nice and bigger. Could this 26 for calls be what made it taller? And rows? Well, maybe that explains that one. You know what? I don't know what calls means, and I don't know what rows means. So I'm going to make rows nice and huge. And there you go. Now it's really, 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 really tall. Yeah. And you can still adjust it. It's kind of hard to see, but you can still adjust the sucker by dragging the bottom right corner. So yes, in case you didn't know, the rows 1002 that we just typed in, you could enter pretty much whatever value you want, is what made that thing super tall, and the calls is what made it the size it was, wide, not exactly a fat text area. The only other thing that I can really say is we can give it a name. And we can, oh, you know what? If you really want to type something up that could upset the user, I'll recommend you do this because it's good to be a nice person. But in case you're feeling sadistic, you could type up disabled right here, and then you could type up something in this box that you know the user wouldn't want to have said about them. So put in, I am the user, and I am a doo-doo brain. Save. Run in Firefox. Hey, this thing called me a doo-doo brain. But not only is this box super huge, but I can't edit the text. It's all grayed out because it's disabled. There are other attributes besides disabled out there, but I figured I'd show you that one. Of course, if you wanted the user to type up a review, even though the name of this text there is review, they don't know what it's really for unless you put in, say, enter your review here, or you could also put outside this box, game review, enter your text inside the text area, or something a little bit more elaborate than that. And I could just type in Super Mario is a good guy. I like him. He shoots fireballs at spiky turtles. Save. Run in Firefox. And there you go. It's already typed up, and if I don't like that, and apparently Spiky's spelled wrong, I could just backspace it out. So that's it for text areas. There are other attributes you can learn if you so choose. And yeah, see you in video number 19. Slippery Slip signing out. Peace.